India has started a 2-day joint coastal security exercise that simulates seaborne terror threats, with the Red Team attempting to breach defenses, blend into populated areas and plant dummy explosives at sensitive sites. Indian Navy warship INS Trikand has reached Alexandria in Egypt to take part in the multinational military exercise Bright Star 2025. The Indian Navy's first training squadron has arrived at Port Victoria in Seychelles. The BSF has opened a school of drone warfare to train drone warriors. 20 Naxalites have surrendered in the Sukma district. In a big development, China has pulled back from funding Pakistan's flagship CPEC rail project, mainly due to persistent attacks and escalating project costs. China has unveiled its J-20S twin-seater fighter jet, in which the second crew member will act as a mission commander to control loyal wingman drones. India is in talks with Russia for acquiring 2 additional S-400 Squadrons, with deliveries scheduled for 2029 and 2030. The 7 new companies carved out of the Ordnance factory board have hit a record export high of 3,545 crore rupees in financial year 2024, with Munitions India Limited alone contributing nearly 3,000 crore rupees. The Indian Navy has deployed Cooperative Engagement Capability on 10 frontline warships that will enable ships and aircraft to share radar data in real time, so one warship can detect a threat while another warship shoots it down. Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems has signed an MOU with Hyderabad-based VEM Technologies to jointly develop, produce, integrate, test and modernize heavyweight torpedoes in India. Tata Advanced Systems Limited will begin production of complete Rafale fighter jet fuselages in Hyderabad from 2028. At a planned rate of 2 fuselages per month to serve both Indian and global requirements. The Indian Navy's plan to induct 12 naval Tejas trainer variants as carrier-borne fighter trainers has stalled. Senior leadership remains unconvinced about deploying single-engine jets over the ocean, where engine failure risks are magnified. After delivering Starstreak laser beam riding man-pads, Thales UK and Bharat Dynamics Limited are now proposing the 6 km range lightweight multi-role missile for integration on the Prachand helicopter. It uses laser beam riding guidance and a triple-effect warhead to counter drones, armored personnel carriers and vessels. According to latest reports, Hindustan Aeronautics will deliver the first 2 Tejas Mark 1A aircraft in October, instead of the earlier delivery timeline for September, and the delivery of the 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets has now been pushed to 2029. Reports also mention that the rollout of the Tejas Mark II has also been delayed to 2027, a slip from its earlier revised target of February 2026, which itself was originally scheduled for October 2025. At a time when India is looking to induct 65th generation fighter jets, a U.S. Congressional Budget Office report has raised red flags that the American F-35A has a full mission availability of about 60% when new, but this falls below 20% after 6 years. For the F-35B and F-35C, mission-capable rates drop to under 10% once the jets are older than 4 years, which raises serious doubts about the long-term credibility of the American 5th-generation fighter jet. India is modifying its Su-30 fighter jets to test the new air-launched long-range land attack cruise missile, and the missile will be operational by 2027. Each Su-30 can carry 2 of them, that can strike targets up to 1,500 kilometers away. It comes with advanced seekers and satellite control, allowing mid-flight adjustments and pinpoint precision. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.